just got told your fan motor's gone bad. Oh my gracious, how much is this gonna cost?
It can at least $400.
$400 for a fan motor? I'm Joe, the homeowner. I know nothing about heating and air, and my air conditioner's not running right, and I walk outside. What am I looking for?
If the fan motor up top, if it's turning real slow, or if it sounds like it's getting ready to come apart, or it's got a bad whine to it, the bearings go bad, they start squealing.
But let me ask you this,
noise.
But that's a distinct sound with the bearings going bad,
yeah.
right? So it's like squealing or bearings going out in a car tire or whatever.
That's right.
But if it's like a capacitor bad, what could that show?
Well, the fan is turning real slow, and it's kind of loud. They have a distinct kind of hum sound to it.
Is it louder than normal?
It'd be louder than normal, and if that's going on, that could be the bearings in the motor itself, or it could be the capacitor.
And it could be the windings in the motor.
Yeah.
We're not saying that anybody that puts you on a motor is scamming you. All we're saying is make sure it's not a $130 job versus a $400 job. So the first thing you want to ask is when they say your motor's bad, go, did you check the capacitor?
That's the biggest thing.
And if you asked him, did you check the capacitor and did you check the microfarads resistance in the capacitor, you just became an educated homeowner, and that service tech has got to make sure he's done his job right, okay? Is that the way you look at it, George?
That's the way I look at it.
So 140 versus 400. Don't get scammed, figure it out.